Retail investors had actually warmed up to mutual funds, right, post-COVID. And is it worrisome to see this market correction undoing the good financial investment behavior that we saw?
We have seen, at least in the last 4 or 5 years, anytime you put in money, the money grows. Everybody thinks that they have been a smart investor. Especially first-time retail investor who got into the equity markets in the last 6-8 months. It won't be like the bed of roses at all point in time. It gives some reality check.
It's the nature of markets. Markets are like sugar given to a baby. The baby will appear like both crying and laughing at the same time. If you look at the history, whenever market returns have fallen negative on a one-year basis, there's been some kind of a retail pullback. I thought we'll have to write a letter saying don't sell. But I'm writing a letter saying don't buy so fast just yet. I have not seen a market like this.
Everyone is in chaos, right? Like some people think the whole Trump thing is an unknown. Some people think it's a known unknown. But there is an element of unknown in it. My first mentor in the stock markets, he just said one line, market mein kuch bhi ho sakta hai.
The Indian capital markets, of course, have been hugely volatile. We've got the Trump tariffs dragging down the global economy. What will hit home the hardest is the state of our personal finances and investments. How do you really play out the two key sentiments of market cycles, fear and greed?
But in a one-year period, there is a 33% chance you will be negative returns. In a 5-year period, there is a 98% chance you will have positive returns.
Why do people invest in the stock markets? Because they're greedy to make more money. Why are so many of them trading derivatives? I genuinely believe trading is not for everybody. It is for those people who have this innate desire to win in the markets.
In India, there are very, very few investors who think about a goal and start investments. Is that they start doing investments, they reach some halfway and then they say, now this is for my kid's marriage. There is no clarity with the investors.
So I think this is one of those great times for the very boring words called asset allocation.
If you are looking at a fixed investment, and this is a great time to do those investments and lock in for a 3 to 5 year kind of a rate, because whatever you're getting at a 8.5, 8.6, 9% as a rate, you won't get that after a couple of quarters. Right?
Mutual fund sahi hai. The fact that people believe it and they're investing in it, it's the undercurrent of our rising markets. SIP inflows have saved the Indian equity markets.
Wow.
Just domestic plus mutual funds owns more than the foreign investors. So more of India is being owned by Indians. And they're continuing to buy.